Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this pendant light here for kitchen islands or wherever you want to put it. So this features a nice hammered like metal brass look to it. Look at that, it's kind of cool. This comes in a couple different colors. Gold, this is this one here. And look at that, that is pretty nice there. It comes in that. Then we have our hookups here. I'll be doing an installation here also on this. So good packaging, everything's nice and secure. Here is the top portion. That's just going to attach right to our ceiling there, so that's also a nice brass color. And then we have our light portion here. That's kind of neat. So it's like a wooden top portion that's going to go right on there like that. So that's going to attach on there for us. But that looks pretty neat. It's kind of rustic, kind of old-timey feel to it. And then on top of that we have the instructions right here and everything we need to hook it up. So it should be pretty simple, just take us a few minutes to do this. So let's go install it and see how it looks. Okay my friends, here we go. First off, we're going to install our little mounting plate here. You want to make sure your power is off. Test these with a voltmeter just to make sure your wires are not hot. So now that we've done that, I like to use a screwdriver here to get these in here. I mean, so much, not a screwdriver, but an electric one, just so much easier than having to mess with a screwdriver that takes quite a bit longer. So if all you have is a screwdriver, then that's fine, but this really is going to save you some time. So just going to tighten those up there. Okay, make sure it's nice and solid. And then all we have to do is connect our cords here. So what I like to do is connect the ground first, and that's just going to be your plain copper wire. I like to twist it around there, then put your cap on and twist that on there real good. Okay, once that is done, since this pendant light is super lightweight, I can just use that to basically hold up my pendant while I'm getting my other wires ready. So I like to just make those nice and round and straight. Obviously we're going to go black, goes around the black wire. Just kind of twist that around a little bit. And then we put on our end cap there. Okay. And then white goes onto the white right here. Super simple on these installations. All right. Once that's done, just want to kind of tuck it back up into our housing there. And same thing with the ground. Okay. So if you have a lot of wire, if you have a shorter ceiling, you don't want this hanging down too much, simply get a small screwdriver, and right there, if you need to loosen it up, you just put it in there, loosen that up. You can push the cord up through here. So you see I have quite a bit of cord right here. And then with this thing right here, you can just kind of cinch that down, and that's going to hold your wire from coming out, as well as just tightening that up. And once that is taken care of, all our excess wire, if you want, you can either cut it off. You can cut off the excess wire if you're just going to be a permanent install for you, or if you have enough room in your fixture or your junction box, you can just kind of tuck it up in there and you don't have to worry about cutting or anything like that. So I would recommend just tucking it up in there, just like that. Next, all we do is install these. So I kind of like to look through the hole until I can see it, and then I just push it up there. These little end caps just go on there. And then you simply tighten those down. There we go. Really easy install, my friends. Anybody can do it if I can do it. There we are. And now we're gonna put our light on real quick, put the end of it. Well, this is super easy to do. Just unscrew this, portion will be on there. Just unscrew this, right like that. And then you just wanna put your nice cover on there like that. Okay, trying to hold that in place. And simply just screw this down on there, just like that. Super easy. And then select a light bulb that you want to use. I went ahead with this particular light bulb here. And there we are, we're ready to go. Just like that. Okay, let's test it out, my friends. All right, well, here is the final reveal here. As you can see, it puts a nice amount of light right in the middle of our table here, and you can adjust the height to whichever height you like. It's a fairly long cord. If you had a lot higher ceiling, I think the cord is at least 6 to 8 feet long. It's pretty long. And at eye level right here, you can see that it's not shining me right in the eyes, but if you get down here, and then you can see it just puts out a nice glow. It looks really nice. I like the features here of the hammered brass, and the wood on the top looks just really kind of like a farmhouse style, like elegant and simplistic. And yeah, does a really good job. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.